CIPFA's Financial Resilience Index is a brand new analytical tool designed to provide counsellors with a clear understanding of their position in terms of financial risk. It is a completely free service which helps to support constructive debate using consistent information from a range of measures. The index is made up of a set of indicators which you can use to compare against similar authorities. Following these simple steps will help you to get the most useful and effective information out of the index. Choose between the upper and lower tiers. Toggling these options will populate the authority and comparator drop-down boxes with the relevant authorities and tiers. It will also display the relevant indicators in the analysis below. Select the authority you wish to view from the drop-down list, or by searching in the box here. Select the group of authorities you wish to include in the analysis below. Select the year range to include in the analysis. Changing this affects the results of the indicators that look at a single year of data, but not those indicators which are looking at a change in results across all of 2014 to 15 to 2017 to 18. These indicators will only be displayed when the most recent year is selected. Select the indicator from the table you would like to investigate further by clicking on the name. The analysis for this will then be shown in the individual analysis section at the bottom of the page. Hovering over the indicator will show some further information about that indicator, including how the result has been derived and how it should be interpreted. The results of the outputs are shown under the indicators of financial stress. Bars nearer to the left indicate a higher risk of financial stress for that authority. Under the comparator group analysis chart, all the authorities in the selected comparator group are plotted on the chart. The deep purple bar indicates the selected authority. The trend analysis chart shows the changes in results over a period of 4 years. Click on the left and right arrows at the bottom of the page to select primary and secondary indicators. Some extra guidance on how to use the index can be found on the third page.